Adding friends on Discord Mobile is super simple. In this quick and easy video, I'll show you how to add friends on Discord on your iPhone or Android phone. Whether you're just starting out or need to add more people to your server, this video will help get you connected fast. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end to find out more. So without any further ado, let's get started right away. So first of all, let's open up the Discord app, and then tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen, and then tap on this person icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can add new friends, and this is also where you can see all of your already added friends. So, if you want to add a new friend, all you have to do is tap on this icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then type in the friend's username and tag. So make sure you type in the exact username of the person you're trying to add. If you make any spelling mistakes, such as typing in capital letters when the username has simple letters, it won't work. So make sure you type in the username without any spelling mistakes because this is case sensitive. And then tap this Send Friend Request button to send that person a friend request. And then they will see that friend request and they will hopefully accept it. So that's how you can add friends in Discord. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.